In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Gemini AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so Gemini displays menus, tips, and system text in the language you prefer. First, open your Gemini account. You can do this in your browser or the app. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use with Gemini. This matters because Gemini follows the language settings stored in your Google account, not a separate in-app toggle. If you have multiple accounts, double-check you're in the right one before continuing. Next, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This is the small circle that shows your photo or initial. A menu will appear with an option labeled Manage Your Google Account. Click that. You're now leaving the Gemini interface and entering your Google account settings where the language preference lives. Inside your Google account, select the Personal Info section. This area holds details about you and includes the language controls that Gemini respects. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct account at the top. Switching here changes settings across Google services tied to that account. Now find the language option. Depending on your layout, it may appear as language under Personal Info, and it's part of your general preferences. This is where you tell Google which language to use across its products, including Gemini. Click the pencil icon next to language to edit it. You'll see a list of languages, and you can search by typing the name if you don't see yours immediately. When you choose your preferred language, consider picking the regional variant that fits you best, such as a specific country or dialect. This helps ensure the interface, dates, and certain formats match your expectations. After you select it, your choice is saved and will start applying across Google services. Return to Gemini, and the interface should reflect your new language setting. Changes can take a short moment to propagate, so don't worry if everything doesn't switch instantly. New interface elements and system prompts will honor your updated preference. Keep in mind that content you generate can still follow the language you write in, but the app's labels and guidance will use your selected language. That's all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, click your profile, go to Manage Your Google Account, open Personal Info, select Language, and use the pencil icon to choose your preferred option. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Gemini in the language that feels most natural to you.